This is John Paul. It's evening of the 15th, uh, Saturday, and just wanted to document mainly, make a quick video. Yesterday, we got a little bit of rain here in Altoona, Iowa, and the 3 prior days, they had been spraying pretty heavily. I collected up to here this much rainwater and then added the rest and distilled just so I could get it all buoyant, whatever came down with the rain. So, but this is all that was just in that little bit of up to there, a little bit of rain. I'm seeing different colors, greens, pinks, um, you know, just in this mason jar. See? Looks like a lot of little metal nanoparticulates are in there. I mean, a lot for what little bit of rain I collected. So anyway, just wanted to make a short video, document it, and tell y'all to, if anybody sees this, to be aware that they are continuing the spray program above our heads. So y'all have a good weekend.